Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video. So in this video, we are going to see all the information about how you need to create your resume. If you are preparing for, means if you are like preparing or searching for an internship or like a full-time opportunity. So your resume is like only one thing that it should be like top of the notch and like it should be like impress your interview that like it's you have done like a lot of things and like without wasting much of your time. Let's begin how you need to create your resume, from which website like you will be creating your resume, and I will be also showing you my resume that helped me to get into the like a make my trip. So let's begin see in this video. All right, if you wanted to be like a cracked in a product based company, then you should be good at like Java, DSA, and like little bit of system design, like basic of stuff, and development side. You should be like strong enough. You should be building your projects and resume. For this all like a guiding resource and helpful, there has been done like a PW skills. PW skills would be like helping you to provide like they're like a top of the notch courses have been there, and a curriculum is also been like a top of the notch, and where they're like industry mentors and like they will be guiding you in a resume creations and everything, like in development courses and in Java like DSA, like they would be helping you to like think about the approach and everything. So there has been like this of an two of an courses which have been often like a Java DSA and Java and web development courses have been done in English and Hindi. So it would be like both of and like our audience. So it would be like helping you all, and for you all there has been a special discount that is often a 50% off. A link is given in a video description. Go and definitely like you can give it try out to these courses, and it will be like helping you a lot. All right, so basically like you can see like one of our resume resume on this screen, like this of a resume like I doesn't know that like initially like from where to create a resume. Like most of you might be also have done same of a thing, that is like you might have gone into the like MS Word and like search for a resume template and started to like make a resume. So what I did, like just wrote my name, then email address and a contact number. I just highlighted it. So you can also mention that, then like education, like about my college and like branch, and then like I mentioned about like technical skills and like what are the subjects I did. Soft skills, project like you, if you see, then you will also laugh like the thing I did, like just a simple like web development like project, like in first year, after completing a first year, like we had one of a web technology course, so I just did that course, and like I'm in one project that I just mentioned it, and you can see like company which came for the internship, and my resume was like pretty too bad, like I can say. So that much, and like one basic of one basic, and I also like mentioned like links, like for this project, like I had also mentioned like a GitHub link, so right for interview wanted to like verify that I had done this thing or not. So yeah, like I mentioned the link. Then like here also you can see the roles of a responsibility. Like I was selected as a program representative, then I just mentioned it about it, and achievement like 2 3 and extracurricular activities. So this was like pretty worst kind of a resume, and this was not an ATS friendly. So whatever the resume you have been creating, it should be ATS friendly, so that I just went like because big companies used to like do a shortlisting based on your like ATS, like they used to see like a certain keywords are there in your resume or not, is there any like a grammatical error or not. If main thing, if there is any of a grammatical errors in your resume, and it's like few little bit just a spelling mistake, then go on, like you won't be selected. So make sure that there should be no grammatical errors, and like it should be accurate enough so that you won't like miss any of a chance. Then let me show you like one of a resume, means like current my resume. So somewhat like a similar kind of a resume was only there, like I'm not getting it right now, but I'll show you. So just mention your name, then your contact number, email address, and email address whatever the mentioning, cross verify twice or thrice, because yeah, it should be like a perfect, otherwise like I did one mistake for this email, and like my all like make my trip communications were going into the wrong email, and like I didn't like I had to then had some of the consequences for that. So make sure that you cross verify. Then your portfolio website, like I had portfolio, so LinkedIn and GitHub. Then you might be thinking that why you didn't like added your coding profiles, like because like few of the companies, like those who need a coding profile, they would be mentioning it in your Google like form, rather than like why to just like showcase you, because important thing you should be remembering that is what are the things you are mentioning in your resume, that is only your syllabus for your like what you got interview. So I just mentioned like a decent kind of thing, and like I'll explain you that one thing, so wait for that. Then education, like you just mentioned your college name, then branch, then what are things that you're doing. So I had a networking and security, and like when it was going to complete, and like CGPA is highly necessary. No need of an objective kind of thing that I'm a passionate software developer engineer, and I had a I'm a, like a team building and like all those kind of stuff like many of us used to, right? If for the like there will be few of companies they would be asking it, but most of companies don't do. Then you can just mention your experience here, like what are the experience you have, like any of our experience you can mention it, but don't mention that your club work, like you have been like a what do you call member of a technical team, and had done this whole thing. It will be coming under the position of a responsibility, not like a experience. In experience, like you will be working in a like any of an organization, so it won't be coming like. I don't suggest to write in that. So just make sure that you write in a position of a responsibility. Initially, I had also written in a position of experience, or else like I'll show you, or else open source contribution work also you can write it here. Then like projects, like you can mention all those kind of a thing. Important like main project heading. Then what are like your project do, just write in like 3-4 lines that what your project do, like so when the interviewer like read, then he can like get an idea that what are the things he had done. And like at last, like I mentioned, like what are the frameworks like you had been used into the project, so that one clarity interview would be getting that by this you have been building your project and like what technologies and everything. So mention keep like minimum 2 to 3 projects, and for projects like one more suggestions I had, that instead of just focusing on like web development, you can just now there will be much of like a trends in AI and ML stuff also. So try to make a project that one it is of a web development, one that is a consist of an AI ML and plus web development, and one like cloud, like simple like AML plus clouds, or web, like integrate all those kind of thing, and like try to make like unique projects, so that if there would be any unique project, then interview wanted to know that what are the things you had been done, so it would be like how much of a great. Yeah, like then you can see that is all our technical skills. So technical skills is also important, like what are the things you have been learning it. So language like Java, main I have written, Python, HTML, CSS, like currently like I had also learned React Native and Swift UI like for iOS development, so I had written it. Like then what are like tools, then like platforms and soft skills. Sorry, like typo is one of a big mistake, like I also found out. Like here it should be like what you call core subjects, uh, but I didn't mistake in this other, sorry. Then here soft skill like leadership, event and public skills. And then here like you can mention like leadership or else extracurricular activity, like what other things you will be taking a part into the colleges and everything. So I was like a program representative of batch 2024 to like my current batch, and what all things like I used to do that had written it. And I in a club, I was there in a GDSC club, so I was like a core GDSC member. Like I used to do many for things, so I had written them. So it would be coming under the leadership or the position of responsibility. It won't be coming under the experience part of thing. And certificates and achievement, like few of our things, like so that resume can be like look that many of our things. And make sure that in your resume, like it shouldn't be like too much of an white space. Try to optimize and do like spacing properly, so it would look pretty good, and it would be like looking nice. So now doubt would be there that from like which website like you need to create your resume. So right, so one website that I would be suggesting you all to make a resume, because like there have been other websites also, but they are been like some of an like paid one, and some like you will be creating your resume and then like they would be like charging money to like to give you resume. So one website I would be suggesting you all, that is a www.overleaf.com. So it's a completely free website that you can make your resume like in well structure and everything. Like many of our templates are there. I will be like making you go through it. So just click on a template. So yeah, like many of our things are there, but you need to go in a resume and a CV. So yeah, like different templates are there, but don't follow this all kind of templates. Like you can see that this one, like modern, simple, ATS friendly. This template, like you can just follow it, like this type of thing, or else a basic this kind of also like templates are there. So there have been many for templates, like we would be like going through it, and at last, like uh, this is like one of like a famous template, like many of us used to use. So I'll show you like my template also. I had been also like a taken like a template from this only, and like I just updated many of stuff uh, here you can see like a software engineering resume template. So open as template, you can just do it. So here like you need to like set like everything has a parameters, and like I'll show you like. So it has been loaded. So here like what you need to do, here like a different sections have given, like heading, educations, experience, project, and skills. So yeah, like you can see, just click here, and first like there will be like this heading. So like here, just you need to change like your name, like and just click on recompiling. So it will be changing, and like here like just mention your like email address, and LinkedIn profile, then GitHub profile, and like URL. So like you can just hover it. So here it will be like able to redirect the educations, like you can add it, and experience, and like positions of responsibility, everything. So like this you can create your resume. And if you wanted to download, just click on download PDF. So it has been downloaded, this template. And like once you will be logging with your like a Gmail address, so you can store your all of your like a data, and like you can make a modification like step by step. And if you got stuck in between, also just select it, keep on ChatGPT, and like it will be helping you to solve any for errors it has. So this is often one of the best thing. And like in college, like most of our students used to prepare through this only for templates only. And once like your resume has been created, you need to check your ATS like a score. So just go on Google and like search ATS scanner free. So you can just what you go on any of our website. Like I didn't went to specific, and try to have like a 80 plus score for your resume, then it's the best of your resume. Otherwise, like you need to improve it. So this was all about resume, like how you need to create. And important thing that if you wanted to review your resume, then change like your name, then hide your like a personal contact details. And one link would be given, like a Google form link would be given. Just upload your resume there, and I'll be like making one video of that, and I'll be reviewing it. So make sure that you hide your name and personal details, and just mention everything. Like, so once you'll be watching video, so you'll be getting to know that I need to improve and everything. So upload your resume down, and if you are like shy enough, then you can just contact me on LinkedIn or else Instagram also. That's pretty much. See you in the upcoming video.